Meaning of fungoid.
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 Fungoid. The word fungoid refers to something that resembles a fungus or that has fungal properties. The term can be used to describe the physical appearance of something, such as a growth on a plant or a skin condition, or to refer to the characteristics or behavior of something, such as a smell or texture. Fungoid structures are often associated with decay and decomposition, and they can be found in many different environments, from damp forests to moldy basements. Overall, fungoid connotes a sense of organic, fungal growth and decay.